Hello everyone and welcome to the AutoPedia channel. In today's video we'll put to crash test 2 Japanese and 2 South Korean vehicles, 3 of them having a full electric powertrain and the Mazda CX-90 being a plug-in hybrid vehicle. As well, if you will watch till the end of our video, we'll have a big surprise for you. At the same time, the Hyundai Ioniq 6 and the Genesis GV70 are sharing the same DNA, the Genesis being the luxury brand of the Hyundai car company, as the Lexus RZ is as well the Toyota's luxury brand. And the good news is that all 4 vehicles had achieved the best rating, earning the Top Safety Pick Plus award. And now we hope that in the near future we'll be able to see as well the official crash test of the 2024 Volvo EX90, which in our opinion is one of the most important full electric SUV launched this year. But we have a small surprise for you. Those are the footages from the internal Volvo Safety Car Center where the new Volvo EX90 had his first internal crash test, and it seems that he did great. But until the official crash test, please stay with us by subscribing to our channel, and if you enjoyed our video, please hit us with a like, and till the next time, please stay safe.